These are 64 raised to 1 by 2, then 32 raised to 1 by 5, then we have 125 raised to 1 by 3. See, so these problems are very simple, and before moving to the question solution, I'll little explain about this one. See here, square root of a, if we have, it can be written as a raised to 1 by 2. Yes, and square root of if we have 4, you can write this one as 4 raised to 1 by 2. Is it? In the same way, if we have 64 raised to 1 by 2, it can be written as square root of 64. Reverse. Okay, if we have a raised to 1 by 2, it is same as square root of 2. Yes, see here children, 1 upon 2 is not equal to square root of 2. Be careful. A raised to 1 by 2 is equal to square root of, this is square root of a. A raised to 1 by 2 is square root of a. You have a raised to 1 by 3 if it is, then it is called as cube. It can be done. It is same as cube root of a. Something like this one you have. So with this base, we'll try to solve these problems. First one is what? 64 raised to 1 by 2. See here how to solve this one. The first one is 64. We have here 64 raised to 1 by 2. As just now I explained, a raised to 1 by 2 can be written as square root of a. 64 raised to 1 by 2 can be written as square root of 64, which is equal to 8. This is one simple method, or you can do this way also. 64 can be written as 8 square and raised to 1 by 2 as it is. So further you have the indices laws. What they say here, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, and a raised to m raised to n can be written as a raised to m into n. Yes. So here what you are doing here, 8 raised to 2 into 1 by 2 here. They get cancelled, 2, 2. So you remain here with 8. The same solution, same answer you are going to get here. This way or that way. So these are very simple basic questions you have here. The second one is what? 32 raised to 1 by 5. See, fifth root of 32 is of no use. So what we'll do, we'll try to convert this we'll find the factors, okay, prime factors of this 32. And how it can be written in the form of this one here, how we have written 8 square. No, we'll try to find its factors. Okay, how? See, simple, by 2, common, very simple. Always try to take the prime numbers. 2 1s are, then 2 6s are 12, then 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, then 2 1s are. Is it? 32 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5. That is 5 times 2. That is 2 into 2 into, okay, this way 3 4 and the 5 times, or you can write this one as 2 raised to 5, not 1 upon 5. Yes, so what I am doing here, 32, I am finding the factors as usual, just I showed, and I am writing this one as 32 raised to 1 by 5 equals to 2 raised to 5 raised to 1 by 5. So you are going to, okay, see here 32 raised to 1 by 5. And you are going to write here a raised to m raised to n equal to a raised to m n. So this is equal to, we have here a raised to m into n, is it? So this 2 raised to 5 raised to 1 by 5 can be written as 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5, is it? So this 5, this 5 and this 5 goes, and 2 raised to 1, that 2 raised to 1 is 2. One is what? Third one we have 125 raised to 1 by 3. Very simple. It is, you can write this one as cube root of 125. Yes, cube root of 125 you have studied in your 8th standard, which is equal to 5. Very simple. Or by using the laws of indices. So first of all, we are finding the factors of 125. Then here 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 5s are, then 5 1s are. Is it? So 125 can be written as 3 times 5. So I am writing here 125 equal to 5 into 5 into, so this is like this one, and raised to, what you are going to write here, this one as 1 by 3 as it is. Yes. Next what you are doing here, you are writing this one as 5 raised to 3, then you have here raised to 1 by 3. Very simple. So I am writing this one as this 5 raised to 3 into 1 upon 3. See, it is good habit if you have this method of writing the solution as a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. it will help you in understanding while solving the problems. Okay, so this is the beginning. Better to use the laws. Of course, you are using laws only. Better to mention the laws also what you are using here. Okay, this 3 and the 3 goes, and you are getting here 5 raised to 1, which is equal to 5. Yes, this is what the final answer of this third question.